When it comes to the stock markets, you often can hear about bid-ask prices. So let's discuss what it is. The bid price refers to the highest price a buyer will pay for a security. The ask price refers to the lowest price a seller will accept for a security. And the difference between these two prices is known as the spread. The bid-ask spread works to the advantage of the market maker. The smaller the spread, the greater the liquidity of the given security. Bid-ask spreads can vary widely depending on the security and the market. Blue-chip companies that constitute the Dow Jones may have a bid-ask spread of only a few cents, while a small-cap stock that trades less than 10,000 shares a day may have a bid-ask spread of 50 cents or more. Bid and ask prices are set by the market. In particular, they are set by the actual buying and selling decisions of the people and institutions who invest in that security. If demand outstrips supply, then the bid and ask prices will gradually shift upwards. Here's an example. First of all, remember that the bank will always buy low and sell high. So for example, the bid price, the price that bank will pay to buy your shares, is $24.66. The ask price, the price that you will have to pay to the bank to buy shares, is $24.71. If bank buys 1 million shares at $24.66 and sells 1 million shares at $24.71, it makes a profit of $50,000. That's the spread between bid and ask price and the profit of a bank in our example.